on this video I'm going to show you how I transformed my straight wig into a curly one. First of all, I made this foil into a curling stick or whatever you want to call it. So using just water and a bit of conditioner just to moisturize the hair before I detangle it. That way it will be nice and smooth, and to thoroughly remove any shaded hairs and stuff like that. So here I'm rolling the hair so that it can have a good curl pattern by the time I'm done curling it. And also I'm going ahead and adding a bit more water and conditioner just to moisturize it properly so that it doesn't tangle. So now it's time to roll it onto the foil stick. So basically I just grab a stick and I just wrap it around it, and I just fold one end in, and then I start to wrap on top of the folded end so that the ends will stay put and not unravel while it's being boiled. This is very important because sometimes when you do this and you don't do it properly, the curls will unravel and then you have different cut patterns and probably not what you want, and you might have to end up doing it again. And I'm done wrapping the curls on the foil sticks, so we're gonna proceed to boiling soon. Before I proceed with the boiling, I added a generous amount of oil. You can use any of your oil of your choice, coconut oil, olive oil, whatever you can get. But this is olive oil mixed with rapeseed oil. Still good for the hair. So I've added it in the pot, and I'm going ahead to insert the hair, and I'm going to make sure that it saturates the oil and the water so that everything will be all like soaked in properly. And using a spoon to dip it in nicely before I cover it. So I'm going to allow it to boil for 2 hours, and I added a little bit more oil just to make sure that it's, because this oil helps the hair to stay in place and not tangle up. So 2 hours and I'll be back. Here is the finished look. I've taken the hair out, dyed it, but I couldn't video that because I was so busy. But this is the result, and here's my cheeky little, and it's finally on my head. I really love it, guys. What do you think? Thank you guys for watching. I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless you. Bye.